September 9, 2022, Mars continues its eastward march through the bright starfields of Taurus. The harvest moon is between Jupiter and Saturn after sunset. Photo caption: Full moon. Credit: Pexels.com. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:25 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:10 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Each evening through September 14, the moon's rising time difference from night to night is 25 minutes or less. This is from the harvest moon effect. The full moon officially occurs tomorrow morning at 4:59 a.m. CDT. The short interval of moonrise each evening is from the angle the solar system makes with the eastern horizon. The moon steps about 13 degrees each day relative to the stars, but not the same distance compared to the horizon. The solar system's angle with the horizon makes the moon move somewhat parallel to the imaginary line that separates the land from the sky. The result is that the moon appears rather soon compared to the previous night's rising. Traditionally, the evening moonlight helped farmers gather their ripened crops during the harvest season, and the namesake of this month's full moon. Here are the planet highlights for today. Morning sky. Chart caption: 2022, September 9th, Mars, marching eastward in Taurus, is high in the south-southeast before sunrise. 1 hour before sunup, Mars is high in the east-southeast, to the upper left of Aldebaran, the brightest star in Taurus. Mars and Aldebaran are nearly the same color, with a rusty red tint, although the planet is brighter. Aldebaran and the Hyades star cluster make a letter V for the bull's head. Mars seems to extend the V above the star Epsilon Tauri, Epsilon Tau on the charts. Look at the region with a binocular. Mars and the V still fit into the same field. Chart caption: 2022, September 9th, through a binocular, Mars is moving toward Tau Tauri, Tau Tau. Mars continues its eastward march through the constellation. Its change from morning to morning is easy to notice. After looking at Mars with the bull's head, move the binocular up and to the left slightly, but include Epsilon in the field of view. Mars is moving generally toward Tau Tauri, Tau Tau, passing at 1.8 degrees to the lower right of the star in 3 mornings. The stars Kappa Tauri, Kappa Tau, and Upsilon Tauri, Upsilon Tau, are in the field of view as well. At this hour, bright Jupiter is about 1/3 of the way up in the west-southwest. This morning Venus rises at the time on the morning diagrams for this article. 15 minutes later it is low in the east-northeast. Evening sky. Chart caption: 2022, September 9th, 1 hour after sunset, Jupiter, Saturn and the Moon are in the eastern sky. At 1 hour after sunset, the full moon is low in the east-southeast, about midway from Saturn to Jupiter. The ringed wonder is about 20 degrees up in the southeast, over 20 degrees to the upper right of the lunar orb. Jupiter is near the horizon in the east, over 20 degrees to the lower left of the moon. Saturn leads the worlds westward. Mars rises in the east-northeast about 4 hours after sunset. At this time, Saturn is in the south, the Moon is in the south-southeast, and Jupiter is in the southeast.